Sun Tzu. Victory lies in prep. Great ginger or face defeat. Soy, the backbone, and rice wine. Measure precisely. The supply line must not falter. Mobilize ingredients. Chop chicken, smash garlic. Each cut a tactical strike. Sear chicken until skin is impenetrable. Then, unleash the 3 cups. Oil, soy, and wine. The triple threat. Add dried chilies and sugar. Cover pot. Let simmer like a siege. Flavors infiltrating every battalion. Reduce sauce to a glossy siege. General Tso demands no surrender to blandness. Basil. Toss Thai basil. Leaves fall like reinforcements, coating chicken in verdant victory. Plate. Salute. Taste. Good.